Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair installation video, and today I'm featuring Wiggins hair. So they sent me loose deep wave, I think it was loose deep wave, 26-inch HD lace, 250% density and a large wig. So I will be installing this wig in a half up, half down hairstyle. And here's the wig before I install it. So what I did was I plucked the frontal and I applied some foundation onto the lace. Now I'm just going to do a quick install using the ebin spray. First thing I do is I cut around my ear tabs. So I part my ear out and then I cut the parting that I made using my eyebrow scissors. So I was actually going to use glue today, but then I changed my mind midway, and I used the spray. But this, I feel like this also helps it to last longer. So if you do like using sprays and it's hot, I would advise you can use a skin protect. So I'm using the Hair by Shope skin protect before I use my ebin spray. That way it will make my forehead less sweaty and make my spray last longer. So what I did is I took the middle section and I cut it out, and then I applied the spray just like the same way you would apply glue. I literally cut my lace the same way. I apply the spray onto my head, then I apply the lace onto the spray whilst it's still wet. I don't wait for the spray to dry down. I let it dry down together using my blow dryer and using a comb to press it into my skin. Then I'm going to take a melt band and just melt the lace. Then I'm going to work on the baby hairs, and I'm just going to part out 3 sections and the sideburns just to create some quote-unquote extravagant baby hairs. They're not really extravagant, but they're quite subtle to me, or for me. So here I'm just going with my wax stick and my hot comb to make sure everything is nice and smooth at the front. This is the keracare wax stick. So I'm just going to trim the hairs and then I'm going to mold them into place using the Afro-G mousse. Recently, I haven't really been reaching for this. I tend to use the Got2b eyebrow and edge gel. It's like in a mascara bottle, but it's really, really good. I highly recommend that. I just feel like it's very, very easy to apply using like a gel formula. And I only apply it to the root now. I don't apply it on the entire hair. I just apply it to the root so that it stays fluffy and nice and in place. So to define the curls, I'm going to spray it down with water. Then I'm going to go in with the ORS hair mousse. And I'm just going to apply that onto the hair. I don't want it to be weighed down, which is why I opted for a mousse rather than like a curl pudding or activator. So you can actually just see the curls with a bit more shine, but still quite weightless. The hair, it's really long on me. I feel like 26 inches. If I want long hair, 26 or even 28 is my length. Because I am 5'9", I'm quite tall. 26 inches on someone else might reach past their bum, but on me it literally reaches the top of my bum. And then some hair companies will be saying they're 26 inches, but only when you stretch the hair. The hair needs to be 26 inches without you stretching the hair. Just wanted to clarify, by the way. So yeah, here I just quickly did the half up, half down hairstyle. And that was literally the most simple hairstyle ever. But I wanted to do something different. All the details on this hair will be in the description box down below. Everything I use will be in the description box down below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed out.